Welcome to Date Night with Michelle and Doug. We are back with an all-new summer recipe. On the menu tonight, we have a chilled gazpacho, and that's going to be made with yellow squash, yellow pepper, yellow tomatoes, and sage, and that's going to be like this beautiful vegetable medley. And on the side, we're making crostinis, and those crostinis are going to be topped with the caper goat cheese spread, grilled calamari, roasted red pepper, and fresh diced tomatoes. This is going to be super light and fresh. It should feel refreshing as you eat it. But babe, what's actually good about this dish?
Well, one, that it's refreshing as you eat it. You'll see, you're going to love it. It's perfect for summer when it's really hot. You don't want anything hot because you're hot.
I'm sweating right now.
New York in the summer is hot and it's humid. But there's so many amazing benefits in this dish. We're using fresh produce, as my husband said. We're using summer squash or yellow zucchini. We're using yellow peppers. We're also using sage. We're using capers, and we're using roasted red peppers. There's going to be so many great vegetables that we're using. Because there's so many vegetables, there are a lot of vitamins and minerals in these vegetables. And of course, in the yellow squash and in the yellow peppers, there's vitamin C. Now, we spoke about vitamin C before, about your collagen formation and healthy, beautiful skin. But vitamin C is also a great antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect your cells from free radical damage. And we're adding sage on top of that. So sage is a fresh herb, actually in the mint family. It's a Mediterranean herb. And it also has a lot of phytochemicals and antioxidants for the same thing, protects your healthy cells. So we're gonna have a great dinner tonight. We hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Are you gonna feel so fresh and so clean?
Hey,
so we gotta go make it right
let's
now.
make it right now! To prep our calamari, we'll get it in a bowl. To that, we'll add salt, black pepper, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil. We'll mix it all together, and we're gonna let it actually sit for about half an hour to make sure that it soaks up all those nice bright flavors.
Let's get our veggies ready for our gazpacho. So first we're gonna chop up our yellow pepper. Next, our yellow squash. Once those are ready, in a pan with olive oil, we're gonna add garlic and onion and let that saute until fragrant. Our garlic and onion smell delicious, so now it's time to add in our squash. We'll mix that all in, and we'll add in our peppers. We're gonna coat the squash and peppers, and then we're gonna cover and cook for 10 minutes.
In the meantime, we'll preheat our oven to 375 degrees. We're using Italian bread for this recipe, slicing it to about 1 inch of thickness, getting them on a pan, drizzle the olive oil, and we'll put them in the oven for 10 minutes or until golden brown.
Our vegetables are cooking, so now we're gonna add our tomatoes, some sage, water, celery salt, and black pepper. Please see below for all the measurements. We're gonna cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Let's finish our gazpacho. So in a blender, we're gonna take a can of white beans. This is gonna help give it a nice creamy texture. And then we're gonna add all our vegetables in and blend all together. Once it's all blended, you can refrigerate it for 2 hours or you can have it hot.
We're gonna get dangerous in the kitchen. We'll turn on our stovetop and we'll place our red pepper on there. That's actually gonna allow us to char the red pepper and get really good flavor on there. Don't worry, this is safe. As soon as you see the char marks on there, you're gonna wanna turn it over and making sure to get all sides. Let's get our calamari on a grill. And we'll cook it for about 5 minutes aside. To make our goat cheese and caper mix, we'll add, you guessed it, capers and goat cheese. Next in the bowl, we'll get our grilled calamari, roasted red peppers that have been diced, and tomato, and mix it all together. We'll get our plate and bowl and our crostinis all in line. We'll top our crostinis with our goat cheese caper spread. Carefully get a spoonful of that calamari salad. And we'll pour in our gazpacho. Ours is chilled if you'd like that. Top it with 2 sprigs of sage. And that is our dinner for tonight.
Alright, we are ready to eat. This smells and looks amazing. Our yellow gazpacho. I'm ready to dig in.
Let's do it.
Let's do this right
Let's
now.
go. What are you going for?
I'm going
first?
for gazpacho.
I'll go for crostini.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, I'll let you talk because mine is very good right now.
This is like fresh. Well,
I would hope so.
both urban fresh and taste fresh. There's the lemon that the octopus has, and it complements with the capers and the goat cheese, which are all kind of like sour flavors. You have that going, but then the roasted pepper, it like mellows everything out. Ooh.
Funny thing is that you can taste the yellow pepper in here as well.
Yeah.
The summer squash is really good. The sage is absolutely insane. It's not too much, it's not overwhelming, it's exactly perfect, exactly what we need. I'm gonna try the crostini now, so you can go ahead
We'll
and
switch. Oh my god. Oh, go. Oh, go. Go for this. That's a good soup.
It's a mango soup.
Or gazpacho.
Oh my gosh. In calamari, I see what you're saying. The lemon flavor kind of just bursts in your mouth when you go for it. I haven't been able to take a crunch, so let me just take a bite real good.
Go for the crunch.
Okay. I'm a texture girl, right?
Yeah, sure.
So, once you bite in it, you get the crunchiness from the bread. And then you get that smooth layer of the goat cheese. That just feels like really good and tastes amazing. So, I don't know about you guys, but we're just gonna continue eating.
This is good. And there's like the hot cold dynamic happening. This is complicated. This is good.
It's complicated.
We're gonna keep eating. We're gonna shut up and keep going. What you can do is subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Instagram. We put up our recipes there. Follow us there. If you make one of our recipes, tag us. We'd love to see that. And make sure you stay here at Day Night with Michelle and Doug. We are back. We are locked and loaded, and you can see us every other weekend here on this channel. See ya.
Take care, guys.